ladies, so in today's video I will be showing you off this cute unit that was sent to me from Outre Hair. This is a style Divine and I have the color, what color is this? I think it's like cinnamon wine or something like that. I think it's like DR2 cinnamon wine. This is pretty much the unit that I will be showing you guys today, and I will be giving you guys all my details about this unit. So if this is a wig that you can kick it with, this is the type of style you can kick it with, girl, smash that subscribe button, because I'm pretty much about to show you guys how to style this unit, what this unit look like when it comes out the packaging, and if I believe that this wig is worth buying. So let's get this video to 100 likes, and I hope that you enjoy the video, and I'll see you after the video. You get your unit. This is pretty much what this unit looks like. It has these nice curls to it. It feels really, really good. It does not feel cheap or synthetic-y at all. And this is what your parting space look like, as well as your hairline. And I think this wig is going to be really, really cute. This unit also does come with the baby hair. Before I style this unit, I do want to show you what the stock card of this unit looks like. This is a color DR2 cinnamon wine. I'm gonna go ahead and try this unit on. Now this unit is a left side part unit, so keep that in mind if you do decide to buy this unit, that this is actually a left side part unit. So I can say that this unit is would probably fit your head if you have a medium to small size head, and probably so if your head is more on the largest side. I think that this unit would probably fit your head as well. And I am just gonna give you guys a close-up as to what the hairline looks like. This hairline looks really good. I think this is probably like the best hairline that I've seen thus far. Like, most of the hairlines have been like really good and stuff on these wigs, but I think that this one is like really, really good though. Like, look how good that part is. Do y'all see this? Come on, Outre, like, come here, please. I am just gonna go ahead and spray the lace, tint my lace. I'm just going ahead and tint my lace. And the tint spray that I'm using is the medium dark brown by Ebon. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to spray wherever the lace is inside of this wig. I like to take these scissors, and I like to use these scissors though, y'all, whenever you're working on these lace front wigs. You're supposed to cut these wigs in like a zigzag motion. I was like, I ain't got time for all that, ma'am. I'm just gonna take my zigzag scissors and I'm just gonna do my own thing with it. And that's what I did. For the most part, I mean, it works. I just take it and just cut my lace. It's kind of hard when you're trying to do this, you know, but I like to do this to my wigs because I feel like whenever you're doing your wigs, you're cutting your lace in like a zigzag motion anyway. So, you know, I figured, well, why not just go ahead and buy some scissors and that already have that zigzag design inside of the scissors, so I don't have to do all that extra stuff. And that's what I did. And like I said, you can kind of see where the hair is on here, and that's pretty much all that I do. I just take it and cut. And like I said, I get as close as I can to the hair because I don't really like all that extra lace. And I'm trying to get better at laying my lace. You could take it or leave this method, but I'm just trying to get better at laying lace. I know I'm not the only one that's trying to get better. This is pretty much what my lace ends up looking like. I try to get as close as I can to that lace because whenever we glue this unit down, it should be able to melt into our hairline. I really like using Ghost Bond because it really makes your wig stick really good. All right, so hopefully this lace comes out good, y'all, because I've been like legit practicing, watching other people videos. So hopefully this comes out good. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade Coconut 355. Take my wax stick to kind of lay these hairs down on this wig. Now I'm just gonna take my flat iron, this unit is really cute, and I really like this unit a lot. I really do think this unit is really cute, and I really do think that it has a perfect length to this unit, and most importantly, I do think that it has a really good density. But yeah, that pretty much concludes the wig review for today. Thank you once again for tuning my channel today. It's really greatly appreciate y'all. I hope to see you in my next video.